In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell an ebook using Kit. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Kit account and you are on the main dashboard. Kit includes a section designed specifically for monetizing digital products, so you can create a simple checkout and deliver your ebook automatically after purchase. First, go to the top navigation bar and click Earn. This is the area where Kit groups tools related to selling and revenue. Once you are in Earn, click Products. Think of products as your library of items that customers can buy, like ebooks, templates, or other downloads. On the Products page, click New Product. This is where you will begin setting up your ebook as a paid digital item. You will be asked to enter your ebook title. Choose a clear, customer-friendly title that matches what you have on your cover and sales materials. After you type in the title, click Next to continue. Now you will select the product type. Choose Digital Download, since an ebook is delivered as a file rather than shipped physically. Then upload your ebook file, usually a PDF or an EPUB. Before you upload, it helps to confirm your file opens correctly, the formatting looks right, and the file name is professional. This is the exact file your buyer will receive, so it is worth a quick check. Next, set your price. Enter the amount you want customers to pay for the ebook, and then click Next. When you choose a price, keep it consistent with what you promise in the title and what your audience expects. Also, double-check the number before moving on, so you do not accidentally set the wrong amount. After that, click Create Product. This saves everything you have entered so far and builds the product inside Kit. You are almost done, but your ebook is not live yet. Finally, click Publish. Publishing makes the product available for purchase, so customers can check out and receive the download automatically. Once it is published, you can use the product link in your emails, on your website, or anywhere you promote the ebook. That covers everything you need to know.